guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of my back to school series. Today is going to be dedicated to just girl hairstyles. Today I'm going to show you hairstyles that you can achieve depending on the type of morning that you have. So maybe you only have 5 minutes left in your morning after having breakfast and getting dressed, or maybe you only have 2 minutes or maybe even 30 seconds. So I'm going to show you hairstyles for depending on the type of morning that you're having, so your daughter looks beautiful, well put together, and with barely any effort. I do need to briefly mention that it is so important to trim your daughter's hair every once in a while so that you're not working with split ends. I'm telling you, it's so annoying having to work with split ends. And something else that I love to do if I want my daughter to have a very good hair day the next day is apply this cream. It's called the Solurm 21. This thing is amazing. I myself use this on my hair. You can use this 3 different ways. So you can use it the way I like to use it as a leave-in conditioner for my daughter. Her hair just wakes up so silky the next morning. You can also leave it on as a mask for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. And this also protects your hair, so you can just leave it as a leave-in conditioner to protect you from the chlorine, the sun, and seawater. I'm going to link this down below because this is a game changer. If you want your daughter to wake up with super smooth hair in the morning, just apply a little bit at night and watch how beautiful your daughter's hair is going to wake up. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as part of the Mom Life Balance. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get started.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Going crazy, oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some great ideas. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about it. And if there's any video ideas that you would like for me to film for you, then just drop it down below in the comments as well. Stay tuned for the last episode of this back to school series, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.
Say something meaningful, say something I